Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the month of September and how it can move in the next 2 weeks of September. If you look at this particular chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this particular downfall we have seen made a high at this particular point. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart of the gold, what you can see, a U pattern is formed. Okay, this is from 2012 to 2020. After that, what we have seen, the same pattern has formed here also. This is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, after that, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, this is the high of around 2074. Okay, after that, what we have seen, it has made a low of around, you can see here, $1650. Okay, and this $1650 acted as a support, and we have seen it has moved upside and made a high of around 1662. That is it is currently trading at. Okay, now so what we can see in the next 2 weeks of gold. See, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a Telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. This chart is showing us that this was the particular zone. Okay, and it has already moved downside. Okay, and the low of that particular was 1673. Okay, and now this is the 2 years low. We have seen that it has come. It's been more than 2 years we have seen, because this is the point where you can see that from March 2020 we have not seen this level has come. So there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further down. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, which is at a higher probability, that if this level didn't sustain, we can see the next support coming at around $16.01. Okay, and once this particular level goes further down, we can see it can move further low, because there is a higher probability that if it goes below a level of 16, we can see the next support coming at around $1577. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a probability that we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1558. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1519. Okay, and once the price fall below $1519, then there is a probability of moving further low towards a level of $1514, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $1490. Okay, so once the price fall below $1419, then we can see it can move further low, because then there is a higher probability of moving the gold in this particular zone. Okay, because this is the price because it has not been touched for so long in that particular zone, so it has come in the zone after 2 years. So we can say it can move further low, or it will move in this particular zone. But now understand something, you have to be very careful, because there is what we have seen in this 2 weeks in the September, that there is a high inflation data has come, CPI data index has come. Okay, these are the few things which has come, which has made people to invest more in gold, and there is, because of that we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, now not only gold, but you have seen in other metals also, we have seen there is a sharp fall. So once what we can see, if this particular level sustain, okay, it is currently trading at around $1661.39, and suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1678. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then there is a probability that we can see it can touch a level of 1721. Just before, if it goes above, that means if it goes above 1678, we can see it can move towards a level of 1707. Then we can see it can touch a level of 1721. Okay, so once the price goes above 1721, then we can see it can touch further upside and can touch a level of around $1789. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $1808. Okay, and this particular level is already being tested 2-3 times, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1847. And once the price goes above 1847, then we can see a trend for gold will be an upside, because then a cup pattern will form, which shows that there is a high probability we can see it can move further down, further upside. Okay, one thing you have to understand, if you are trading, if you are going for long term, that is not a problem. That if you are going for 10, 15, 20 years, then we can keep it and hold it for a longer period. But if you are trading, you have to be very careful, because market is uncertain. You cannot see that the market will go upside or downside. You have to look at the chart, which will not lie, because if you heard some news from here and there, then you can trade as per that. No, you have to look at the chart, or you have to look at the data which is moving on the screen. Okay, so you have to be very careful with your risk management as well as your day limit loss. Some of the things which I teach in my workshop, you can attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing, and we can do that particular workshop in a group as well as individually. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.